Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. We've got to change the plans. We're not going to worry about this today. It's going to be rather warm today, and it's going to take several hours to finish this up. I say 3 to 4 hours to finish the wiring up. What we're going to do today, we're going to paint this gauge pod. I don't like the shiny black on it. It's too shiny. It looks kind of cheap looking. So what we're going to do, we're going to spray some adhesion promoter on it, and then we're going to spray it with satin black, what we've been spraying all of our parts with. So I don't like the shiny black on it. And then we'll also get the gauges installed today. And I did get the carbon fiber letters in. Had to wait on them for about a month. They look really nice, and they're genuine GM product, General Motors. So that's why they're so expensive. $115 for that. But that's for 2 sets. So we'll get that done. We still got the blackout bow tie to do in the front. Get that done. But it's going to be rather warm today, so I'll go set up a table and we'll get these painted. Okay, we'll let that dry for a minute. Okay, this is the SEM color coat. That's the 15243 satin black. That's what we're going to spray it with. It's really pretty smooth, so I really don't need no sanding on it. Okay, gonna let that dry for a minute. Then we'll get the gauges installed. Okay, it's dried out pretty good. I like it a lot better. It don't have that real shiny black look to it. So that's about what I was looking for right there. Okay, now we can start putting the gauges in. Okay, this thing's going to be installed in the car like this. So we're going to have the main gauge here, and we're going to have the switches here. Just want to make sure you got them straight up and down. It's got this little back piece that you got to screw down onto it. Well, I think what I'm going to do on this, let's see if I can get a shot of it here. Way down in there. I'm going to have to solder wires down in there. So I believe I'm going to have to wait on this one. Have to make sure I get all my wires soldered on. This we're not going to worry about the bottle opener, which is this switch. Not going to worry about that one. We're going to do a purge. We're going to do the nitrous activate, and we're going to do a bottle heater. So this is the only one we're not going to mess with, is the bottle opener, and we'll just leave it. Nothing connected to it. These right here is what I'm going to have to solder to. Activation switch, purge button. So I can go ahead and install the other gauge, because it's got long wires on it and there won't be no problem. Okay, this is what it's going to look like installed. I just got the switches in there temporarily. But the gauge has got long wires, so I'll be able to attach to them pretty easy. This big plug right here goes to the O2 sensor. So I'm going to have the other one just like it that connects to it go through the firewall. So the wires that I've already got through there, I'm going to have to take back out and probably drill it out a little bit bigger, kind of go back and forth and widen it out. So I'm going to have to do that before I get started again. But that's a good idea what it's going to look like. Be mounted in on the pillar there. So that's a quick video for today, and I appreciate all my subscribers, appreciate all that watch. I appreciate all those who leave comments down below. All the questions, all the comments, what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. I appreciate all of you. So keep the comments coming. I was going to do this without even showing it on screen, but being it's going to be so hot today, I did this right around noontime, and it's starting to warm up out here pretty good now. I appreciate all y'all watching.